Well, good morning, everyone. Am I recording? Okay. It is another beautiful day, and I've been craving some kalguksu this morning. So I am heading over right now. I am, of course, in the autopilot mode because I don't want to drive anymore. A couple updates on Aiden. This will be his last month attending the daycare because they raised the price for next year, and it makes sense. So they gave us a whole email of why they're raising the cost and how it was a difficult, not an easy decision, but it had to be done. So it makes sense. At the same time, the increase is sort of significant. We just don't think it's in our budget at the moment. So we decided to pull him out. It really stinks because past couple of days we've been only seeing him really enjoying the environment there. He has friends now that's always welcoming him, saying bye, and always kind of greeting him. Aiden knows them, they know him, and it was just, he definitely settled there. And I feel terrible that I have to pull him out. Even for Tong and I, it wasn't just an immediate decision. We just sort of came up with a plan before we finalized our decision, because we know.
1,000 feet, turn right.
So, because we know Aiden was learning so much at the daycare, so we obviously don't want him to stop learning just because he's at home. So we just came up with a plan,
now turn right.
Okay, how are we gonna just keep up this educational aspect of daycare? I have to get a little bit more creative and more proactive at home. Teaching a child really isn't my expertise, and it's not really something that I really even thought about doing or thought that I would enjoy doing. So, okay, can we park somewhere, please? I don't even know where to begin, to be honest. I'm not great at teaching anything. You should see me at the restaurant. I have such a difficult time training people because I'm not a teacher. I'm not good at teaching anything. But anyways, yeah, so that's something that Tong and I talked about. It's something that we really have to step up. I am planning on taking him to more places that now that I don't really have to be at the restaurant during lunchtime because we have enough staff and he won't be attending daycare anymore. Him and I will just go to places more and see more things. About black jacket during winter is that it just gets so dirty and so obvious. I was sort of brainstorming what I could do for dinner with Aiden tonight, and I used my great friend ChatGPT, and I think I'm going to do the color sorting with him. Basically, you put up different colors, color sheets, and then you get stickers and try to kind of sort it with the same color. Apparently it's a very gold activity for 2-year-old or toddlers. So we'll see how that goes. Knowing Aiden, I think I'm going to try to keep it a little more open-minded because I just feel like he could, yeah, just do whatever he wants. So. I'm trying to look for stickers, but I feel like I'm in the wrong place. Yeah. Small ones. Yeah. Yeah, just California roll. And just crab meat.
What happened?
What happened?
Yay. No.
What?
No, 매워. 엄마,
매워?
우동 주세요.
우동 먹을 거야?
아니야.
우동이랑.
엄마, no, spicy. 우와, 엄마야. What's that? What's that?
That's called California roll.
was
Wow, isn't that funny?
pee.
Don't you want California roll? Okay.
Let's go. Let's go.
It's very hot. Hold on. Hold on.
No, 엄마. No, floor.
It's really hot.
It's a floor.
It's hot, right? 뭐 먹을까? 아, 내가 한번 먹어봐. 엄마 먹어볼까?
Welcome.
엄마 하나 있잖아. Put it down, please. 컵 어디 갔어? 이거 엄마 말해?
Yeah. Okay, mommy.
So what my mom and I noticed about Aiden was that he doesn't even bother trying like new food out. Like he doesn't even go near it, he doesn't taste it, he doesn't put his tongue on it. It's just no for him. But after going to daycare, so much changed. Let's say more open-minded. They update us throughout the day, like what they're doing, what they did for like educational purposes and all that, right? Like what they ate, when the diaper was changed, when they went out for a nap, when they woke up. So they would tell us what they eat and how much they ate. And like 90% of the time he eats most of it, including like carrots and broccoli and all that. So I'm like,
Broccoli.
do you like broccoli?
No. I want the sweet udon.
Oh my god. Like I said, I've never seen him eat it. Never seen him go near broccoli. But at daycare, apparently he does. And the teacher told me that it's because he sees other kids eating it. Peer pressure, right?
Ma.
우동 먹어? 이건 안 먹어?
엄마 거.
엄마 거야? 아니야, 아니 거 해. 엄마 맘마 있어. It's perfectly fine.
More udon.
You want more udon?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
I have some soup that my mom made for me. Just cabbage soup. I made you a California roll.
Hot.
It is very hot.
키, 네. 엄마 키. 엄마 키. More. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, Aiden. Aiden, what did you learn at school today? Did you paint today?
I want udon. Dumping.
You learn how to stomp today? You learn stomping?
Yeah.
Yeah.
엄마.
I'm gonna try some soup.
No.
No.
I want the udon.
Yeah.
What?
Udon only.
Bitch. What?
I know. Let's not play with food, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
너무 맛있는데? 엄마 먹을게?
엄마 쪽에?
엄마 두 개 먹었어. 아니, 두 개 먹어.
아니야. 이거.
알았어, 팔 내려놔.
이거.
Well, sometimes I notice that there are a lot of times where I have to feed Aiden first and then I cook for myself and Tong. And what we noticed was that when he sees us eating, he like says he's hungry again and he wants more food. And in the beginning I was like, oh, maybe he didn't eat enough, but I realized that he just wants to sit with us and eat with us. So we try our best to have meals with him. It's really difficult. It's so much harder than said. Hey, feet down, please. Thank you. What we finished? We have a T-Rex. Yes, we have one T-Rex over here. And now we have pterodactyl.